Hey everyone, Mario here, and today we're going to be turning up the volume with eyebrows using my new brow blowout technique, which consists of two products, the Master Blade Brow Pencil and the Master Hold Brow Gel. I'm going to start out just by brushing through the hairs with the spoolie, just lightly fill in. I'm going to focus mostly on the outer corner of the brow. On Selena, today I'm going to be using the shade Light Brunette of the Master Blade Brow Pencil, and I'm going to extend, fill in, and lift the eyebrows here, and then in just 1 second we will lock them in with the Master Hold Brow Gel. And this brow gel I developed with this really unique brush that has two ends here. The smaller end is going to really coat the brow hairs, and then the longer hairs on the other end are going to really lift them and separate them beautifully for that really modern, trendy brow. I'm going to start by just coating the brow hairs and going the opposite direction. This is going to really coat the hairs beautifully so that you get a nice even coating of the brow gel. And then I'm going to finalize it and finish it by going upward now with the longer hairs. You can see how easy this is. Because remember, with the brow blowout, we want to fill, lift, and lock. And that's it. You just brush the hairs up. And then if you like to take it a step further for that really laminated look, you can take the cap from the brow gel and you just roll it over the brows like this. And that's going to really set the hairs in place so that they do not move. So Selena is filled, lifted, and locked using my new brow blowout technique.